Hey everyone, Angela Langlotz, trademark and business law attorney here, and I'm back with another episode of Trademark Wars. And I keep thinking that, I'm going to have some kind of sound effect for that, but I never remember it in time to do the videos. So you can just imagine the boxing ring bell sound. Ding, 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 Trademark Wars. Today, I'm talking about the trademark kerfuffle between rap star Dr. Drai and famous medical doctor who apparently has his own motivational speaking and books, Dr. Drai, spelled D-R-A-I. Now, why? Why do we have this trademark kerfuffle? Well, apparently the good doctor, I'm talking about the real medical doctor, not the rap doctor. His name is Andre Young, by the way, that's his given name. And the doctor is named Dr. Draion Burch, and he has kind of a funny name, so he goes by Dr. Drai because it's easier to pronounce, obviously, than Draion. Anyway, Dr. Draion Burch filed or applied to register Dr. Drai for various services related to his medical practice, like some motivational speaking, what else? Some other services, educational and entertainment services, and healthcare consulting related to medicine. Now, he filed this application back in 2015. And when it was published for opposition, Andre Young, Dr. Drai, the rap star, opposed the application because he alleged that there was going to be a likelihood of confusion between his musical production and composition services and Dr. Draion Burch's entertainment and medical consulting services. Now, there were a number of things alleged. It was alleged that if the mark issues, if Dr. Drai's medical services mark issues, that there would suggest a false association between the medical doctor and the rap star, and that there would be also a likelihood of confusion in the mind of the consumer between that would suggest, rather, that the goods came from the same source. So I'm going to talk about those two things in turn. Now, the false association claim was obviously, so who won? Let me just get to the chase. So Dr. Drai, the medical doctor, actually won this case because the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board, who handles oppositions, noted that even though Dr. Drai, the rap star's mark was very strong, in the mind of the consumer, there wouldn't be that kind of confusion about the source of the goods, and also there was unlikely to be a false association because the two men are so different. They're both handsome African-American guys, but both super successful, but the similarities end there. Okay, so regarding this whole false association issue, the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board noted that in order to show a false association or a false suggestion of connection, as they called it, Dr. Drai, the rap star, would have to show that his name is so famous that when Dr. Drai, the doctor, uses that name in conjunction with medical services, that people would assume that there was a connection between Dr. Drai, the rap star, and Dr. Drai, the medical doctor. And they just found that because the two men were so different and what they were offering was so different, I mean, rap stars and medical services, no, we just don't associate those two things, such that when Dr. Drai uses Dr. Drai the doctor uses his mark on his goods and services, that people would assume that there was some kind of connection with Dr. Drai the rap artist. That's just not a reasonable connection to make. And as to the likelihood of confusion issue, the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board noted that although the marks give a similar commercial impression, because they sound the same, they are spelled very similarly, etc., that the goods were for different sorts of entertainment services. Dr. Dre, the rap star, obviously composes music and performs. His goods and services are completely different than the entertainment services offered by the medical Dr. Dre. His are all about motivational speaking, and apparently he has a TV show. So they decided that because the consumer would not be confused as to the source of the goods, right? The source of the goods, that's what the confusion is all about. No reasonable consumer would assume that somebody who produces music would also have a medical degree and produce medical information entertainment services. So they declined to find that there was a likelihood of confusion. So kind of an interesting case. I posted some more information about it on my blog at TrademarkDoctor.net. So you can go there and read more about it. You can also find me on Facebook, facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. And if you like my page, you'll be notified each and every time I go live. And if you think other people might like to hear about this issue, then please share my videos with others. I'll see you tomorrow.